SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off iPhone 13. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you need to turn off your iPhone 13 because you're trying to fix a problem, or because you won't be using it for a while and you want to save battery life, then the ideal way that you can do this is by pressing and holding the volume up button, then pressing and holding the power button. That's going to bring up this screen where you can drag this slider to the right side of the screen to turn off the phone, and then after a couple seconds the phone will completely turn off. Now whenever you're ready to turn it back on, you just need to press and hold the power button, and that's going to bring up a white Apple logo. And then once that Apple logo appears, it is going to continue booting up, and then it'll take you to the lock screen where you can start using the phone again. Now, if you're having problems with your iPhone and you can't turn off the iPhone using the method that we just described, then you need to do something called a force restart. This is a little different in that it's going to completely turn off the phone even if it's stuck, and then it's going to cause the phone to restart. To do a force restart on an iPhone 13, you need to press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button. It's going to look like this. And then that's going to bring up the slide to power off thing again. And then after a couple seconds, the phone is going to turn off completely. And at that point, then you can let go of the power button. Then after a couple seconds, you're going to see that white Apple logo appear, and the phone is going to continue rebooting.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.